welcome back to my channel. So today I changed to a new Airbnb and I just decided I want to show you guys how it looks. Yes, so let's go straight into this video. I hope you enjoy. If you love this video, kindly give it a like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. This how it looks from the inside, guys. As you come in, the first thing you see is this dining area. And I forgot to tell you guys before we proceed, this Airbnb goes for 3,000 Kenya shillings, which is like around $30 a night. Yes, and you can access lots of facilities. The security is very tight. If you need parking, there is enough space for parking. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed this video. The living area is so spacious. It can accommodate like more than 5 people. Yes, and the curtains, yeah, I love the curtains. As you can see, the lightings are good. And we have this place. I don't know what this is for. Like, if you know, let me know in the comment section below. And from the living room, we have this door that you can use to access the pool area. Yes, this Airbnb has a swimming pool right behind. Washing machine. It's free. You can either use washing machine or hand washing, whatever you do. Then you have like microwave. I got a small fridge. That is then you have this clean sink, huge window, cabinets. More cabinets. Then I have bathroom door to this side, like yeah, so let's continue. From the entrance, the first thing is the bathroom, and it's so modern. You get everything there. Every Sunday to Wednesday at 10 p.m. This is how it looks inside from the staircases. We have a huge bed here, curtains, AC, fan. Then we have dressing mirror inside there. We have a TV, dining area, and the bathroom. From this angle, this is how the room looks. It's so huge, and it goes for 3,000 shillings, Kenyan shillings, which is $3. And guys, one thing that I didn't tell you is that this place has a swimming pool. This is the outside balcony, and it has a swimming pool. Let me just show you the view from the balcony. That's the pool. So in case you like swimming, you sorted. And the room quality is so tight. From this angle, let me show you guys. It's so dark, but this is how it looks. I'll try get clear. Then from this side of the balcony, this is the view of the room. I hope you love it, guys. So whenever you guys visit Mombasa, you can book this Airbnb. It goes for $3 a night. So huge, you can accommodate like more than 2 people. And it's located in Nyali.